Wow! This is our hotel room? Let's go! Woohoo! It's huge!
Uh-oh, kids, watch out. Take it one step at a time.
We can make all the noise we want!
Oh, I am so sorry. They will be quiet now. Kids, adults should not leave children alone. Hotel rooms must be kept clean and
Sorry,
quiet.
Mom. We'll super quiet mode.
The hotel room should be kept clean. Let's clean it up together.
Look, Mom! Everything is clean now.
Great job, kids. Now let's go out.
Let's explore which items float or sink. What do you think?
Look, the plastic gorilla and toy boat float on.
The watermelon sinks first, but the coconut is floating.
Why do some objects sink and some don't? The answer is density. Everything is made of tiny particles. Particles are packed close together. In plastic, toys are far apart so they float. In metal objects, particles are packed close together so they sink.
Ouch! Is that a mosquito? Run!
Remember, it's always better to fight mosquitoes with special repellent devices instead of chasing them.
Yay! Thank you, Mom! Ouch! My tooth hurts.
I guess you didn't clean them. Let me show you how to brush your teeth properly. Up, down, and all around.
Thank you, Mr. Clean.
Don't forget to brush your teeth every morning and evening. Did you wash your hands before eating?
No, we forgot.
Let's fix it. Wash thoroughly with soap and water.
Now our hands are clean. Don't forget proper hygiene to stay healthy and strong.